Remember these scenes from the shows that brought us Ariel, Nemo, and SpongeBob? See those pretty things in the background? What if we took them away? Sebastian would have nothing to make Ariel stay under the sea. Nemo wouldn't have a home. And as for SpongeBob, well, Bikini Bottom wouldn't be the same. Those things in the background are actually more than decorations. They are the coral population in marine life. And although movies have relegated them to the role of an interesting backdrop, in real life, they are so much more important. Corals are not, as some people may think, rocks or plants. They actually belong to the animal kingdom. As such, they grow, they migrate, and even fight over space to live in. Corals are made out of thousands of invertebrates called polyps. Each polyp has a sac-like body and a mouth at the end, surrounded by a ring of tentacles that allow these corals to capture small organisms. Hard corals, also known as our reef builders, are those that form colonies which join with other colonies, and as they grow for hundreds and thousands of years, eventually become our coral reefs. Apart from marine creatures, coral reefs are an important natural resource for humans as well. They protect our coastlines from the damaging effects of strong waves and storms, and even the fishing industry is heavily dependent on the reefs because healthier reefs mean more fish drawn towards our shores. Sadly, there are many threats to these creatures, the greatest being climate change. As water temperatures rise, corals expel the algae living in their tissues they need for survival and growth, causing them to turn white. This is what you call coral bleaching. Apart from the effects of climate change, human activities such as construction developments, dynamite fishing, and heavy pollution also greatly threaten the reefs. Of the coral reef ecosystems around the globe, the Philippines has one of the richest and most diverse. And in an effort to prevent further damage to our country's reefs, we have laws and policies that are meant to protect the reefs from further damage. Unfortunately, these policies are not always followed or enforced, and reef degradation only increases over time. It is only right that people join in on the effort to preserve the country's rich marine environment and keep what's left of our reefs healthy for the sake of the millions of creatures that thrive there and for our own.